Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I do a DIY protein treatment on my hair. These are all the ingredients that I will be using. And before I apply these products to my hair, I will go in and tell you about the benefits of each ingredient and why I will be using them. So the first ingredient I want to talk about and the benefits of the egg. The egg yolk are loaded with amino acids and they have high amounts of protein that help strengthen and thicken the hair follicles. They also contain vitamin A, E, D, and biotin, and folate and fatty acids, which nourish and replenish dry, tired hair strands. So that is our number one ingredient. For now, it will be the egg. The next benefit we'll be using is the mayo. Why do we use the mayo? If you're experiencing hair loss or have thinning hair, you may find that using the mayo hair mask is a safe alternative for promoting hair growth and reversing damage from heat and coloring. So you definitely want to do this. You incorporate mayo in your protein treatment. So these are two wonderful benefits already. Our third ingredient is a special one. Now this is extra virgin olive oil. I infused with rosemary leaves. So let me just tell you about the extra virgin olive oil and its benefits first. The extra virgin olive oil is going to deeply moisturize and condition your hair, condition your dry hair, and it's going to strengthen your hair follicles. It's going to repair damage and keep your hair manageable. This will result in stronger hair and lesser hair fall. Now, I did infuse this olive oil with the rosemary leaves, and so let me tell you what the benefits of the rosemary leaves is going to be. So it's scientific evidence suggesting that rosemary oil is just as effective as hair growth drug minoxidil. Also, in 2015, research showed that the use of the rosemary oil increased the hair count of alopecia sufferers after about 6 months of use. So you definitely want to use this. These are 3 great essential products that is going to be a great protein mask to put on your hair. All right, y'all. So now that I've showed you the 3 essential products we're going to be using in our protein treatment, now comes the fun part. This is the part where I'm just showing you how I mix up all 3 ingredients together. So this could be a little bit redundant. I'm not going to sit here and tell you the whole thing. So I'll just rather you guys watch and I will be back. All right, guys, as you can see, everything has been evenly mixed together, evenly distributed. So the next thing you guys will be seeing will be me applying this protein treatment to my hair. So if you guys are ready for that, then just keep on watching. Now comes the fun part. It's time to apply our protein treatment. So just first thing you want to do is go in and put a towel around your neck just to make sure you don't have a lot of fall, because as you know, eggs and oil and all of that can be very runny and super messy. So you want to go ahead and protect your clothing from any fallout. I just removed my bonnet. I'm going with that pink pick And we're going to just comb out our hair. Just make sure you detangle your hair first before applying the protein treatment. Get all the knots and kinks and everything out of your hair. So let me tell you what to do and how to use the treatment. So how to use the treatment, you want to like comb the mixture through the hair to ensure that the hair and the scalp are evenly coated. You want to cover the hair with a shower cap or any plastic bag to trap in heat. You want to leave the mixture on your hair for at least 20 minutes and then rinse the hair and scalp thoroughly and shampoo as normal. Then you just want to style your hair as desired. See, this is you know, the hair fall that I'm having because my hair does need a protein treatment. So I'm showing you now that I do have hair fall, even though I am 3 days post big chop. And if you guys have not seen my big chop video, I just posted that 3 days ago, so you can go back on my channel and watch that. My hair had a lot of breakage and damage, and I did know that it was weak and it needed a protein treatment. So this is the second video of me on my healthy hair journey. So I'm going in and doing this protein treatment on my hair because I know my hair is weak. So it was damaged, is why I did the big chop, but it was also weak, is why I'm doing this protein treatment now. So once again, I'm not going to bore you guys and just talk to you to death about this. I just want you to watch the application process. It is messy. I am going to have a blooper in here. I did waste some product down my face. It almost got in my eye. Your girl went through it to try to make this video for y'all. So hopefully y'all enjoyed it and y'all enjoyed the bloopers as well. So I didn't edit. I didn't cut out anything. I just wanted y'all to see the raw process. So enjoy the video. All right, you guys, this brings us to the end of this protein application. As you can see, all three of these ingredients can be found at your house. You can go ahead and just whip these DIYs together. If your hair is experiencing breakage, shedding, split ends, damage, color treatment damage, you go ahead and try this DIY protein treatment. It is wonderful for your hair. It will help your hair restore its elasticity. It will gain strength, and it will be a lot thicker from using this product. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial and you want to see more tips, tools, and just different tactics that I will come up with on how to keep our hair healthy, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload new content to this channel. I'll see you guys in my next one.